Did you get my papers for me?
To travel. When's the next transport to ChunkeyNinja?
Transports are booked months in advance, Commander.
The best bet is to sail yourself.
Yes!
Or maybe you could ride your Elder Dragon.
Shut up! Give me a
I'll
boat!
stick to the boat.
Boat!
Thanks.
Boat! 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 Earn your boat! Earn your boat! Boat time! Boat time! Boat gaming! Boat gaming! Here we go! There it is. The only mount I ever wanted. Gifts are a great way to get around the waters of Tyria. When anchored, they can be used as a platform to fish from. You can ride them with up to 5 players. The owner is the pilot, and up to 4 party members or squad mates can join as passengers. Yes. Proved. Even better. Golden. There she is. Majestic as a motherfucker. Sailing the 7 fucking seas, mate.
Yeah, no, I'm stuck like I'm touchdown. I can do my dance like a touchdown. Yo, like I'm touchdown. I can do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, no, I'm stuck like I'm touchdown. I can do
Best mount in the game, mate.
Yo, like I'm touchdown.
No, I got deboted! No! I got deboted!